Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for SHIB. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here. And we can also plot in our monthly swing low. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now, what do we notice here? We see a most recent key level of support where price is reacting to now. And if we look over here, we can see multiple reactions around the same level acting as resistance. So, we also notice a key level right here, acting as support. And we can also plot in a key level right here. Now, always remember to color coordinate your levels to the time frame you're working in. So we can also spot a key level right here, as we see price reacting to the level as support and resistance with multiple reactions, obvious to spot on our weekly chart. So these are all of our key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frames. If you guys enjoyed the video and got any value from it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.